Internal guide, external guide, screw remover. Claw and shank driver. Claw and shank driver effectively remove the broken screw from inside the implant without causing any damage to the implant. Guide handle. Internal guide. Step 1. After selecting a guide compatible with the fixture connection specification, mount it inside the fixture using the guide handle. Shank driver. Claw. Step 2. Select the claw that matches the fixture screw size, attach it to the shank driver. Step 3. Insert the assembled shank driver and claw into the guide, ensuring that the claw is positioned in contact with the surface of the fractured screw. Step 4. While applying gentle pressure to the claw, slowly rotate it counterclockwise to remove the fracture screw. Reverse center drill and screw remover. Reverse center drill forms a precise channel on the fractured screw surface, allowing the screw remover to securely grab and unscrew the broken remnant without compromising the fixture. Step 1. After selecting a guide compatible with the fixture connection specification, mount it inside the fixture using the guide handle. Step 2. Insert the reverse center drill into the guide and drill counterclockwise to 1.2 mm based on the screw fracture surface. Maximum 1200 RPM. Step 3. Apply appropriate pressure and rotate in reverse to guide the fractured screw out. Proceeds below 80 RPM when using the surgical engine. Step 1. After selecting a guide compatible with the fixture connection specification, mount it inside the fixture using the guide handle. Step 2. Insert the reverse center drill into the guide and drill counterclockwise to 1.2 mm based on the screw fracture surface. Maximum 1200 RPM. Step 3. Position the screw remover to make firm contact with the prepared hole. Apply appropriate pressure and rotate in reverse to guide the fractured screw out. Proceeds below 80 RPM when using the surgical engine.